Like this is our old 48 Chev, and we've been having a bit of debate about it. I've been sanding down the old house paint off it and putting on this Rippo. So this is what the finished product will look like. And Jodie wants to paint it, she reckons that looks like shit. So I like it, but so the option is to either matte black it, put some red ribbon on it or something, keep it like this with the original couple of paint, Rippo, or repaint it to original all glossy and be scared of someone scratching it. So if you want to comment the bottom of the page on whether we want to do it black, matte black, keep it like this, or paint it back to original, that'd be good because we're having big arguments about it. Just taking